making, or Damili, is a significant aspect in San Nicoleños activities. We create traditional clay pots used for cooking and storage. This craft requires skill and creativity. Through pottery making, we gain insight into our heritage while also developing practical skills that could eventually benefit for our future. Pottery traditions of San Nicolas, which is renowned for its banga, a traditional clay pot that has become an iconic symbol of the town. As a youth, I heavily relate myself to the banga, as it starts off as a lump of clay, slowly being turned into something sturdy, and to the point na matiktik mo ket nalagda.
Can San Nicolas withstand the pressure to place higher this year? Kulas and lasing, skilled artisans craft each pot with precision and care. When a large order suddenly falls through, their hard work seems in vain. Yet like the Damili that endures fire to gain its strength, they press on. San Nicolas has proven its resilience time and again. Will this be the year they finally break through?
Buyain nyo to'y maipangas bimet itangatawin.
We have refined every detail from choreography to storytelling. The team is more synchronized and we're putting a fresh spotlight on the craftsmanship that defines our town. We are ready to make an impact.
We're focusing on what makes San Nicolas unique. Our deep connection to the Damili pottery. Our performance highlights the skills, patience, and artistry behind each piece, showing how tradition continues to shape our identity. San Nicolas, awan pulos pumada.
Nicolas, naragsak na ini ipapateng miti panagkay kaysa yaman na panubog ibiyag kaya miya iwag sa awan makaarta itirag sa karumang
Manong Kulas, agorderak man ti adong banga.
Umuwi ka na masaganan tay marugyanan ang tignay galit ko'y yaman tayo ito'y gaili panagramili intay rumakan Breakan
magsabi ka, apoy di kang runaan, tapno ba ngakit masansan, iti apoy nga umibig sa dumanong iti puspusuda, at tignay amin nga bagi, awan oras sa sayangin, iti may sakin may sa apoy iti puso at amin kaniyada.
Dispensaren nyo manong kulas, panang lasing. Ano nga matuloy dete inorder ko nga bangbangan.
Kasanong aruden lakay?
Di ka madanagan karuba. Intay ilako digiti produkto tayo sa Jason daan.
Sa Nicolas, mga hindi ka nga nagda. Sa Nicolas, mga